Alright family, we are here at the Fairwind Hotel in Miami Beach, Florida. I'm going to do a quick little room tour. As you can see, walking in, this is a very large room. You have an area here. You got a sofa here. I'm pretty sure there's another bed for that sofa there. Come around, you have your vanity area here. Right in here you have your restroom, your toilet right here. They have your towels behind it. Right over here in the corner, this is right here where you have your shower. As you can see, it's a deep shower. 3-4 people can get in this one shower here. Okay, so now I'm going to go around over here. They have this little area right here. This is not complimentary. As you can see, you got your scan barcode right there. So if you want, you can just purchase it, but it's not free. Okay, they have the ice box right here. Right here, where you have your little safe hidden right here. You have your TV. You have a nice queen size bed here. They have your little closet right here. You can hang up your clothes, put your stuff up right there. They have an iron. What I like, they have a little patio here. For you smokers, you can come out here and hang out on the patio. They have 2 seats for you and or your man, or you and or your lady. You just come out here and hang out on the patio here at the Fairwind. I am on the 3rd floor, right here at the Fairwind Hotel on Collins Avenue, 1 block from Ocean Drive, 2 blocks from the beach. Everything is walking distance. So this right here is the Fairwind Hotel and Suites in Miami Beach, Florida. Up there is the actual pool. So this right here is the room inside the Fairwind Hotel.